Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a slip knot using this beautiful pale pink yarn I got at Michael's. Now with the yarn, you're going to use your first two fingers or your thumb and your pointer finger and kind of hold them like a beak as you see here. So with those two fingers, you're going to pinch the yarn, and with your dominant hand, you're going to use the same first two fingers, your pointer finger and your thumb, and put both of those fingers through that loop right there and hold on to that single piece of yarn. Fold in half though, looks like two pieces of yarn, and you pull through. It's actually quite easy. Now I'm going to show you one more time. So with your pointer fingers, you're going to pinch the yarn as you see here. And with your other hand, your dominant hand, you're going to twist it away from you, twist the yarn away from you. And with your dominant hand again, you're going to insert your pointer finger and your thumb through that loop, holding on to those pieces of yarn, the working end and the tail end of the yarn. Pull through, and you have your slip knot. It's actually quite easy. You just have to keep on practicing and you'll get the hang of it. It'll be like muscle memory, and you can go on and create beautiful pieces of art. I truly hope this was easy to follow, and thanks for watching.